So now let's see how we can work around with the display and cursor preferences inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the draw section and grab this brush, and let me just drag around right here, drag around the brush just like this. And you can see that the brush has a certain icon to it. So if you want to go around and change this icon, then you can go around onto the edit menu, and then you can go to preferences, and over here you can see display and cursors is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then this is what you have. So right now the standard brush is being shown right here in painting cursor. So if I were to go to precise right here, now you can see that the cursor changes. Similarly, if I were to go around under edit onto preferences right here, onto display and cursor right here, then you can go for normal brush tip, as you can see just like this as well. So you can go around over here onto the display cursor and choose other option, as you can see, like full size brush and so forth, and even choose whether to show the crosshair in the brush tip or not, as you can see. You can go around onto the other cursor option, and you can see that right now if I were to take the color picker tool, you see this icon. But I can go around over here onto preferences, and over here for other cursors as well, you can make it precise so that instead of this you get this kind of an icon right here. So depending on what you have, you can see that you can go around and change around the icon according to how you want. So I'm just going to go around onto preferences, onto display and cursor, and here you can see that you can also work around with the crop tool right here. You can disable the shield right here. So once you do that and use the crop tool, then this is what you have. So I can go around, utilize the crop, and this is all you see. But if I were to go around and enable the seal, so I'm just going to go around onto display and cursors right here and use the seal and choose the color of the seal and choose the opacity of the seal and press OK. So now if I were to go around and then drag out let's say a crop tool, you can see the shield right here, and it has the blue color with the opacity that was defined out. So this is what you can do right here according to how you want. You can go around under the edit tool on the preferences right here, and you can go around onto display and cursor over here. So once you do that, here you can see that if you have a high density display, that is retina display and so forth, you can also go around and make the UI scale factor to 100% so it is crisp clear in high-end displays. So that is how you can work around with display and cursor settings inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.